Hi everyone. Hi everyone. This is Dalai Lama, Assistant Professor Physics in WITS College. Welcome to WITS Connect. Previous class we discussed dimension formula. The dimension formula. What is the dimension formula? The formula which indicates the formula m power of a, l power of b, t power of c. The formula which indicates relationship between fundamental physical quantity and derived physical quantity is called dimension formula. The general formula of dimension formula m power of a, l power of b, t power of c. The m, l, t is the fundamental physical quantities. The power a, power b, power c, the dimensions. The dimensions of m, l, t, a, b, c. This is the dimension formula. Next one, explain the examples of physical quantities with dimension formula. Physical quantity, the momentum. The formula of momentum. The physical quantity of momentum is formula. Formula of momentum, mass into velocity. Mass into velocity. The mass is the fundamental unit. The another one is the velocity. Velocity is the derived physical quantity or derived unit. Next one, mass into velocity. What is the velocity? The rate of change of displacement is called velocity. Displacement by time. This is the formula of momentum. Mass into displacement by time. Next one is the dimensional formula. Dimensional formula. The dimensional formula of mass is capital M. The dimensional formula of mass is capital M. The dimensional formula of displacement. Displacement means length. The length. The dimensional formula of length. Displacement is the length. The dimensional formula of length is L by time. The dimensional formula of time is T by T. So therefore M, L, T to the power of minus 1. This is the dimension formula of momentum. Next another one is the SI unit of momentum. The mass. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. Next one. The SI unit of length is meter. The SI unit of time is second. Also second inverse. This is the dimensional formula of momentum and dimensional formula of SI unit. The another one is the physical quantity of force. This is the important of the dimensional formula of force. The formula of force. The mass into acceleration. Mass into acceleration. The formula of the force. Next one is the mass. But acceleration. What is the acceleration? The rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. The rate of change of velocity. So velocity by time is the acceleration. Velocity by time. Next one is the mass into. The another definition. The velocity. What is the velocity? The rate of change of displacement is called velocity. Displacement by time by velocity. The formula of velocity, displacement by time. Therefore mass into displacement by time square is the formula of force. The dimensional formula of force, the mass, the formula, the general formula of force, mass into displacement by time square. To write the dimensional formula, the dimensional formula of mass is m, capital M. The dimensional formula, capital M. The displacement means the length. The dimensional formula of length is L by time by t square, or the square bracket, or m L t to the power of minus 2. This is the dimension formula of force. Repeat once again, this is the important question, is the dimension formula of force. The formula of force, mass into displacement by time square. Displacement means the length. The dimension formula of mass is the capital M. The dimension formula of displacement is the length, is the L by time square. The dimensional formula of time is t square, or m, L, the denominator t square. To convert into numerator, t to the power of minus 2. This is the dimensional formula of force. Another one is the SI unit. SI unit of force. To write down is the mass, is the kilogram. The length is the meter. Is the time, S power of minus 2, or is the Newton. The SI unit of force is Newton. This is the SI unit of force. The another one, physical quantity, is impulse. The formula of impulse, force into time. To write down what is the force, m into a into time t, m into v by t. Change in velocity is called acceleration, into t. T is cancelled, time is the cancel. Mass into acceleration by time. So this is the velocity. What is the acceleration? Change in velocity by time into time. Time is cancelled, remaining mass into velocity. What is the velocity? Change in displacement is called velocity. Displacement by time. This is the formula of impulse. Next one is the dimensional formula. The dimensional formula of m is the mass, the capital M. The dimensional formula of displacement means length. The dimensional formula of length is capital L, and the time by denominator. To convert into numerator is the t inverse, the square bracket of m L t to the power of minus 1. The formula of impulse, force into time. The SI unit of force is Newton. The time, the SI unit of time is second. So the SI unit of impulse is Newton second. The another one is the physical quantity, work and energy. The same formula of work and energy. Force into the displacement or distance is the formula of work and energy. The formula of force, mass into acceleration into distance. Mass, what is the acceleration? Velocity by time into distance or displacement. Next one is the mass into velocity, change in the displacement, v by t, s by t, the displacement is the distance by t by t. This is the velocity formula, displacement or distance by time into distance or displacement, m into distance square or displacement square into t to the power of by t square. This is the formula of work and energy. The dimension formula of work and energy. The mass. The dimension formula of mass is capital M. Capital M is the dimension formula of M is the mass. Another one is the distance. Distance means the length. The dimension formula of length is equal to L. The length, capital L whole square. The another one is the by t square. T square means the dimension formula of t is equal to capital T by t. To change the numerator is the t to the power of minus 2. This is the dimension formula of work and energy. The square bracket of m L square t to the power of minus 2. The another one is the SI unit of work and energy. Work and energy. Work and energy formula, force into distance. Force is the Newton. The SI unit of force is Newton. The another one is the distance. Distance means the length. The SI unit of length is meter. Newton, meter or joule. Capital J is the joule. The important of the dimension formula, work and energy. The formula is force into distance. Force into the SI unit of work and energy. Force is the Newton into distance is the meter or joule. The dimension formula of work and energy is the square bracket of m L square t to the power of minus 2. M means mass, L means distance, distance means the length, t is the time. The another one physical quantity is power. The formula of power is work by time. The work, the formula of work, force into distance is the time. What is the force? Mass into acceleration, distance by time. Next one is the mass, m, acceleration, change in the velocity, v by t, t velocity by time into distance by time. This is the acceleration formula. This is the acceleration formula, velocity by time. Next one is the m into velocity by time, time by time, time square, velocity by time square into distance. Next, another one example is the velocity. Another one definition is the velocity. What is the velocity? Change in the displacement or distance. Distance by time. Time by time square. Time whole cube. Time is the whole cube into distance into distance. Distance square. Okay, now I can write down velocity. Distance by time. Distance into distance. Distance square by time. time into time square, time cube. This is the formula of the power. Next one is the dimensional formula. The dimension formula of the power. The dimension formula of mass is capital M. Next one is the distance. The dimension formula of distance means length. Length is called L square by T cube. The square bracket R M into L square T to the power of minus 3. This is the dimension formula of power. Repeat once again the physical quantity of power. The formula of power is the work by time. Work by time. Work formula force into distance by time. But the formula of force mass into acceleration into distance by time. But acceleration change in the velocity. Velocity by time into distance. Time by time is the time square. The another one definition is the velocity. Velocity. The definition of velocity is the distance by time. Distance by time. Distance into distance. Velocity equal to distance by time. Distance into distance. Distance square. Time into time square. Time whole power of 3. The dimensional formula of power is called M into L square by T cube. The square bracket R M L square T to the power of minus 3. The dimensional formula of power. The SI unit of power is work. The SI unit of work is joule. By time is the second inverse or watts. Okay, now the SI unit of power is work by time. Formula. The SI unit of work is joule. By time. The time by time means the second inverse or watts. Since J means is the joule, W means is the watts. The power of SI unit of power is watt or joule second inverse. Today class is the discussion. Tomorrow we explain another examples. Thank you.